Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 9.3 part 2 pre-algebra math today, and for 9.3 part 2 you have 8 points here on your classwork sheet. Have that out. Name, date, period, students in my classroom, due date here, onliners, homeschoolers, and no points for your notebooks, so it's all classwork today. And let's go right into our first page here. The converse of Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem can be written in if-then form. Theorem. Here's the theorem. If a triangle is a right triangle, then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If you reverse the two parts of the statement, the new statement is called the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So if we reverse the two parts of the statement, if, then, if we make this if and then this a then, it would still be true. So the converse would be of this statement up here: if a squared plus b squared equals c, then the triangle is a right triangle. Although not all converses of true statements are true, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem is true. You can use it to determine whether a triangle is a right triangle. To get into that, identifying right triangles. Determine whether the triangle with a given side lengths is a right triangle. So we have a equals 3, b equals 5, c equals 7. So is that a right triangle? So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's plug in our values from that. 3 squared plus 5 squared. Does that equal 7 squared? So 9 plus 25. Does that equal 49? Well, you should readily see 34 does not equal 49. So the answer is it's not a right triangle. This is not a right triangle. So how about a equals 15, b equals 8, and c equals 17? Are these the dimensions of sides of a triangle that would make a right triangle? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We plug in our values. 15 squared plus a squared. Does that equal 17 squared is the question. 225 plus 64. Does that equal 289? And the answer is yes, it does. So this is the dimension of sides of a right triangle. Answer, yes, it is a right triangle. So let's find the unknown length here. This signifies that it is a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle. We have 12, 5, and then we have a c here. So we need to find c. Students is down here. Pay attention up here so you can solve your independent practice. So up here, what we have is that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have a and b. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 25 plus 144 equals c squared. 169 equals c squared. Radical or square root of 169 equals c. 13 equals c. So the unknown length up here of this right triangle is 13 units. And that is your part 2 lesson of pre-algebra math. Email me at animatedpowerpointmathvideo@aol.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.